Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install OpenCode on your Windows laptop or PC. So for it, just go to any browser, and in the browser you need to search for opencode.ai, then press enter, and here you can see the open source AI coding agent. So OpenCode is completely free, so there is no limit of how much you can use OpenCode. So after coming here, just choose this npm option and you need to copy this command, and you need to run this command in the command prompt. But before that, you need to make sure that you have Node.js installed in your system. So just search for Node.js and go to nodejs.org, and from here you can download Node.js really easily. So in order to verify whether Node.js is installed in your system or not, for it you can just go to your Windows search option right over here, CMP, go to command prompt, and if you just say here node dash dash version, then press enter. If you see the Node.js version, it means Node.js is installed on your system and you are ready to install OpenCode in your Windows. So right now I'm going to copy this command, then I'll go to my Windows search option, and right over here CMD, we'll just open a fresh command prompt, and we're going to paste the command over here, npm-i-g OpenCode AI. So it will install OpenCode globally in our system. So right now I'm going to press enter, and it will take a few seconds to install OpenCode. And there you can see it is done. So when OpenCode is installed, you can just close this. And how can we use OpenCode to create any project in Windows? So for it, let me just open a folder. Let me go to this folder and let me create a folder over here. Let's say the folder name will be OpenCode dash project. Press enter, and we'll go inside this folder. We'll click at the top and right over here CMD, press enter. And in order to open the OpenCode CLI, we need to say here OpenCode, then press enter. And it will open the OpenCode CLI. Here you can see. So we can give any kind of prompt over here, and OpenCode will create the project for us. Let's say here I want to create a unique registration form using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And before we press enter, there is a lot of feature in OpenCode. You can press on tab and it will go to the plan mode and it will make a plan for this. So let's just try this out. So I'm going to choose the plan mode, then press enter, and first it will make a plan for us. And it may ask you some question as well. Here you can say asking question. So I'm going to choose the second one. Then here, let's say 6 field. Let's add the form animation and password stand meter, and let me just confirm it, and I'm going to press enter. So this will confirm our plan, and there you can see it make a plan for us, and it took around 53 seconds to make the plan. So right now we'll click on tab and it will go to the build mode, and we're going to say here implement the plan, then press enter. So right now it will create some file over here and start writing code for us. And there you can see it is complete, and it took around 1 minute 48 seconds. So let me just open the index.html file. Let me just double click here, and there you can see it created a registration form, and it actually looks really good. So yeah, this is how you can install OpenCode in Windows, and you can use it for free. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.